I'm going to show you in this video how to escape your 9-to-5 job and work for yourself, but first I have a quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to have financial, time, and geographical freedom? Come on, admit it. This isn't the first time you've been looking for a proven way to have financial, time, and geographical freedom, is it? It's not that easy. I get it. But I promise that if you watch this video until the end, you're going to discover how to escape your 9-to-5 job and work for yourself. Hey! My name is Robert Blue, and a few years ago, I was just like you. The biggest problem that I had was wasting my time in a career that did not fulfill me at all. So first I tried to sell some products. That didn't work at all. Then I tried to start an online business, and I started seeing some results, but still not even close to my goal. And that's when I finally watched this video series. And guess what? In less than 3 months, I found clarity in my life, set my goals correctly, and started making money. The cool thing is it didn't just work for me, it works for all kinds of people. Look, here's Matt, and he always tried to escape from his 9-to-5 job and work for himself but failed. But after he took a leap of faith and watched this video series, he began to no longer trade his time for money, to have financial, time, and geographic freedom, and to make progress on the 4 pillars of his life: wealth, health, social, and self. But before you get started, let me ask you another question. Would you like to get access to this video series for less than the cost of a McDonald's Happy Meal? You can get access to this amazing video series for free. If all of this would allow you to escape your 9-to-5 job and work for yourself, would it be worth it? If all of this would give you financial, time, and geographical freedom, would it be worth it? But you must act now, because this is a limited time offer. Imagine what your life will be like when you have financial, time, and geographical freedom without having to worry about having enough money to pay the bills, how much time you spend with your loved ones, or how many days you spend traveling the world. So, click on the button below right now, and get access to the free video series, and I promise this will be the best investment you ever made.